Meet Bashir Adewale Adeniyi, the Comptroller General of the Nigeria Customs Service. A native of Ogun State, Adeniyi is a career customs officer who joined the Nigeria Customs Service in 1990 and has risen through the ranks over more than 3 decades of service. He holds a bachelor's degree in international relations from the University of Ife, now Obafemi Awolowo University, and a master's degree in international law and diplomacy from the University of Lagos. Before becoming Comptroller General, Adeniyi served as National Public Relations Officer of the service, where he gained national visibility for improving communication and transparency. He also led the Murtala Muhammed International Airport Command in Lagos, overseeing customs clearance operations at Nigeria's busiest airport. As Comptroller General, he now oversees revenue generation, trade facilitation, anti-smuggling, increasing revenue efficiency, and deploying technology-driven customs processes. He has also been honored as a member of the Order of the Federal Republic, recognizing his contributions to national service.